A TLDR definition of a smart contract is a piece of code stored on the blockchain that can be executed automatically when predetermined conditions are fulfilled. But that's not why you are watching this video. So imagine it's a hot day and you want to buy a can of cola that costs $2 from a vending machine. You insert a $5 bill, and out comes a can of cola and your $3 change. You get your cola and the vending machine gets your money. Welcome to our channel where we sieve through complicated crypto topics, summarize and break them down into bite-sized videos that are easy for you to understand. In today's video, we will be looking at smart contracts. What are smart contracts? How do smart contracts work? Benefits of using smart contracts. Applications of smart contracts. What are smart contracts? Smart contracts work like physical contracts in the real world, but they are digital. It is a piece of a computer program stored on a blockchain. They are coded to execute certain actions automatically. Besides executing an action, smart contracts can receive, send, store funds, and even retrieve other smart contracts. As such, they can help exchange money, property, shares, or anything of value digitally in a transparent way, without the involvement of third parties to reduce human-prone errors. How do smart contracts work? Smart contracts work by following simple, when something happens, then do this, instructions written into code on a blockchain. Back to our vending machine analogy. The vending machine is programmed to perform certain actions based on the input. And in our vending machine case, the input is to accept $2. If you have only $1, the machine will not give you your cola, no matter how many times you insert that same $1. On the contrary, if you were to put in a $5 bill, the vending machine will give you a can of cola and your change. All these are predefined and the machine is programmed to give you the correct change and which coins are available in the machine. You can write contracts based on information on the blockchain like, let's say both token A and token B are on the same blockchain. A smart contract would be, if I give you 10 tokens A, you have to give me 10 tokens B. You can also write contracts based on external data sources. For example, so you can write a contract like this. If I give you 1 Ethereum, you will give me 3,000 USDT. The smart contract refers to the price of Ethereum from an external source via an Oracle service, sort of like a bridge between the crypto space and the real world. Another example is, if I give you my digital entry key to my apartment, you will need to give me $200. There are blockchains that support smart contracts like Cardano, EOS, Tron, just to name a few, but the biggest one is Ethereum. Most smart contracts are written on the Ethereum network, as Ethereum was created to support smart contracts. The smart contracts can be programmed via Solidity, a programming language created for Ethereum. It is interesting to note that Bitcoin also supports smart contracts, but it is limited as compared to Ethereum. There are two main characteristics of smart contracts. They are immutable and distributed. Immutable means once a smart contract is created, it can never be updated or changed again. No one can tamper with the contract. This brings up an interesting question. What if there is a bug? The solution is to create a new smart contract to revoke the old contract. Distributed means there will be no inconsistency because the output of your contract is validated by everyone on the network. A single person cannot force the contract to do a certain thing because other people on the network will spot this attempt and mark it as invalid. These two characteristics mean that smart contracts are non-refutable because you cannot change the contract as the code cannot be changed, and you cannot deny the outcome as it is on the network and everyone has access to them. Benefits of using smart contracts. Let us take a look at two parties trying to swap tokens with each other, using a smart contract and using a traditional way. Using a smart contract, we can write that if Gates sends Elon 100 tokens E and if Elon sends 100 tokens G to Gates, swapping of tokens will take place. Gates will get Elon's 100 tokens G and Elon will get Gates' 100 tokens E. Now, in the traditional way, when both parties cannot trust each other, both Gates and Elon will have to create an escrow with a third party. This third party will collect tokens from both parties, and once the same number of tokens are received, the third party will release the swap tokens to the respective parties. Can you already see the problems Gates and Elon are facing with the traditional method? Number 1. Speed. Gates and Elon will probably need to wait a few days for the third party in order to settle the transition of their tokens. What if they want to swap tokens on Christmas? Will the third party be operating on Christmas? Smart contracts will release the coins to both parties a few seconds after the criteria is fulfilled. This way, the transaction is fast, efficient, and accurate. Number 2. They have to trust the third party, and if something goes wrong, there will probably be different negative outputs. Smart contracts, on the other hand, will automatically execute the swapping of coins once both parties fulfill the criteria. The whole system is trustless and transparent. Number 3. Third party's fee and hidden costs, like arbitrage. Smart contracts do away with these fees. The same smart contract can be used by anyone who wants to swap. 100 tokens G for 100 tokens E. In the traditional way, you will still need to pay for a separate contract for a future new swap. There are many uses of smart contracts, from DeFi, insurance, supply chain, real estate, dApps, and even charity. Imagine you can release a donation fund automatically and redirect those funds to the people who needed it the most after their homes were destroyed by an earthquake. But this is for another video, another time. As we end this video, we hope you learned something about smart contracts. Please feel free to share our videos with your friends so everyone can learn more about crypto and blockchains. If you find this video useful, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more crypto-related stuff. Remember to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. See you in our next video. Take care and stay safe.